Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, locate your Uconnect system on the dashboard. You'll need to access the main settings to begin. Once in the settings, look for the option related to language or display. This process is straightforward and will allow you to customize your vehicle's interface to your preferred language, making your driving experience more comfortable and intuitive. For many Jeep Grand Cherokee models with a Uconnect touchscreen, the process is quite simple. Start by pressing the settings icon, usually found on the main screen. From there, you will typically see an option for display or system. Select this, and then you should find language as one of the choices. Tap on it, and you can then select from available languages like English, Spanish, or French. If your Jeep Grand Cherokee doesn't have a large touchscreen, or if you need to change the instrument cluster language, the steps might differ slightly. You'll often use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the menus displayed on your instrument cluster. Look for a settings or menu option, then find language. For voice commands, some systems allow you to press the voice recognition button and simply say the desired language, like English. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your Uconnect system can often resolve minor glitches. You can usually do this by turning off the vehicle, opening the driver's door for a few minutes, and then restarting. Always refer to your Jeep Grand Cherokee's owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions, as systems can vary. And speaking of bringing things to life, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to add convenience and entertainment to any room. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the video description below. Don't miss out on enhancing your daily routine with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.